Hi, I'm Alison Hoachlander, and I lead external communications at Understood.org. Understood is a leading nonprofit based in New York City with the mission to support the 70 million Americans with learning and thinking differences, such as ADHD and dyslexia. In my role, I help raise awareness of learning and thinking differences and promote Understood as a trusted resource for individuals, parents, caregivers, and educators. Someone who inspires me right now is my cousin Lisa. Not only does she absolutely crush it in her day job leading marketing and communications for a global design firm, but she recently decided to follow her passion for baking and start a small batch baking company in Brooklyn. It's a great reminder that women are multifaceted. Even when it comes to our careers, we can do more than one thing. And I'm so excited to watch her grow her passion in addition to her other professional roles. One piece of advice for the next generation of women is to remember that no one will advocate better for you than you will. So use your voice, ask for what you need, and an employer that values you will likely work with you if it's a reasonable accommodation because they'll see what you bring to the table and want to enable you to do your best work.